What's going on, guys? It's your new blood City Night. We're back with you once again. I said I would bring you the curry video today. Smells like death. Don't look too bad though. Give it to Matthew. You can see lots of chicken there. First thing I'm going to do though, guys, bear with me. Bear with me 2 seconds. Wouldn't be a curry without a beer, would it? Today I got a Budweiser. Off me old man. I'm going to regret this. So much. Bombs up. Right. I'm going to regret this so much. Get a bit of rice on there as well. A bit of chicken. That's how I go. Oh, spicy. Oh, it's spicy. Christ almighty. Wow. Fair play to you, Math. It's a fucking bang dang curry. Oh. Ooh. I think the milk's gonna have to come out. Oh wow, I'm sweating already. This ain't good at all. He did say it was chicken in there, peppers, onions, a lot of fucking curry, a lot of chili extract, I imagine. There it is. It's a nice curry. It tastes nice. It's just, wow, is it spicy. I like my spice, but fuck me. Oh, sorry for the swearing. Oh, by the way, John Williams, one of my subscribers. I will be doing your burger, mate, as soon as I can. Don't think I forgot about you. Dave, I've already done the Shanghai Chef salt and pepper box. If you go back and look at Shanghai Chef video, in the videos, you'll find it. God. There. Sweat. That is sweat, that is. Oh, Matthew was so right, man, but it's so nice. Literally, I could not have a drink with this. It's so nice. Guys, if you do want to know the recipe for this, when I make this curry, you like the spice, get hold of Matthew Neal, and he will show you his recipe. Holy mother of Jesus. Oh. Oh. I told him I'll eat it all. I think I got on the plate anyway. God, it's hot in the Vindaloo. Not quite a foul, but Christ. Oh. That's what I got left. Now thinking about stopping, because all I'm doing is hiccuping. Wow. If any of my friends, anyone out there, want to make me something, want to give me something to buy or something, let me know down below. Like I said before, you want to check out my Patreon, guys, carry on. I'm alright with that. The onions look nice though. It's nice, it's so nice, such a nice curry, but it's like, oh, burny, man. Woo! Staying in there. Oh man. I don't know if the lag is making it better or not. See that can, I was just hoping that can is nearly gone already, because that's how much so much drink we need with this curry. is a spicy curry. Ooh. Right, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I've had the majority of the curry. There's only a couple of bits of it left. As you can see, I just hiccuping like no tomorrow. If you want to see more spice videos, me completely looking like a complete nutcase, trying to eat spicy food, I can, but that, whoo, is something else. Matthew, give it your mate thumbs up from me. Alcohol's going down really fucking fast now, which is not good. I swore again, I apologise. As you can see, sweat dripping down me. My nose is dripping. My mouth is on fire. So, thanks for joining us, guys, on this very strange but good episode of Newport City Nightmare. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Nightmare 8.